It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my old returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So before I get into today's video, I would like to shout out my friend, my wig sis, Deanna Monet. As you can see, this cute bonnet that I'm wearing and this bracelet, this cuff that I'm wearing is from her business. It's called MonetDiorCoutoure. Don't that just sound so fancy and just designer? It just sounds designer, but she makes really nice jewelries and bonnets and stuff, and I got a ring right here from her, and I'll leave her link below so you can check it out. And sis, come closer, let me tell you a secret. It's affordable. Who doesn't love quality, affordable products? Yes, check out Dior, MonetDiorCoutoure. Alright, so for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this unit, and it's the Bobbi Boss True Me in the style Bianca, and I got it in the color FS1B/27, and these are all the styles that comes in this collection. And the True Me is supposed to be easy, everyday unit. It is ready to wear. It comes with natural lace front, hand tie lace part. It's supposed to be easy, and it said True Ease. So we're about to see. So let's get started. Let me introduce you to Miss Bianca. This is her right here. This is Bianca right here, and look at that peak. I love how the peak of the 27 is just popping through, and look at the curls. And this is the lace, which is not bad. And this is the parting space. I don't know if you can see that. The parting space. And this for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And I just love this color. Like, do you see that? Do you see what I'm saying? Do you like it? Because I like it, and I can't wait. So I'm gonna take off my bonnet, my cute bonnet. Ooh. Oh, so I got this hair from Elevate Style for $28. So for less than $30. Oh, shut the front door. Okay, calm down, Lee. Calm down. Y'all know when I like a unit, I be extra. Okay, so I haven't done anything with the cap, and it's tight. I'm gonna tell you this right now. It is tight. Ain't nothing. So I wouldn't say it's big hair friendly. So for my big hair girls out there, if you get this unit, just so you know, it's gonna be squeezing your brain. But this is it's the lace ear to ear. It's somewhat ear to ear, but I love it, guys. I really love it. So this is the parting space, you know. It's not bad. So I'm gonna go cut the lace off, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what Bianca looks like after I have cut the lace, and I put a little bit of powder on the parting space, which is nice. It has baby hair, but if you've been with me for a minute, you know that I and baby hair, we have a struggle battle, you know. I really don't. I'm still working on it. I mean, I just want to perfect it a little bit, even though I really won't use it, but it has baby hair if you want to use it. And I don't know, it doesn't say if it's heat safe. Yeah, it says it's heat safe. I don't know to what degree, so. And I think the top is a little too poofy, so I'm gonna take my good old trusty hot comb. I always be struggling when I'm doing this on. Now I don't know why. Okay, so that looks better. That looks way better. At least it's flat a little bit. Oh, yeah. I love it. And this strand right here, why? I don't know. But I'm gonna cut. I know what you're saying, Lee. You're always cutting weights. You're always cutting. But I just want to, you know, see how this one is a little longer than the rest. I just want to, you know, just snip it right back. But yeah, this is Bianca after all the work I have put into it, which was not a lot. As you saw, I just cut the lace, put powder. Well, you didn't see that part, but I put heat to the top a little bit just so it can flatten it. And that's a parting space, and I love it. So I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around. Yeah, guys, so what do you think of Bianca? As you already know, I love it. So like, I think this is gonna become my everyday unit, like wearing it to work. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. All right, let's talk about Bianca. And also, I'll leave down my friend website, MonetDiorCoutoure. Check it out and get some good jewelry. Okay, I'm gone. Have a good one. Bye.
It's a bad man.